So hello friends, welcome to my channel Aryan's Electrical Hub. So this is the third part of our Arduino programming series. If you have not watched the first two parts, I will give you the link in the description. So today I am going to tell you about serial monitor. So first I will tell you about serial communication. So we will consider an example. In Arduino there are two pins, TX and RX. This pin communicate data using UART communication, and UART communication is also called serial communication. So those who don't know what is UART communication, I will explain them. So in sensors where TX and RX is there, that sensors communicate using UART communication only. In this protocol, one receiver pin is there and one transmitter pin is there. Transmitter pin transmits the data and receiver pin receives the data. So like this communication happens. This is called serial communication. In serial communication, two pins are involved, TX and RX. So this RX and TX, these pins are also connected on our programming port. It is connected from inside, by which we upload code in our Arduino.
Opened Arduino app and I have also connected Arduino. So now we will write the program for serial communication. So now I will write serial dot begin. So you have to write this in every serial communication program. Whenever you write a serial communication program, you have to write this, and S of serial should be capital in bracket 9600. This is the baud rate. So those who don't know what is baud rate means the data communicated with the Arduino in second. So it is calculated in bits per second. So we have written 9600. That means it communicates the data 9600 bits per second. Bracket complete and then a colon. So we have written this in the void setup because we need to execute this sentence only once, and as I told you before, we have to write the sentence in void setup which should be executed only once. So now we will open serial monitor, and now I am sending the data to Arduino. You can see but it is not displaying here in the serial monitor. So now we have to see what data it is sending to the Arduino. So we need to display the data in the serial monitor. So we will write a code for that. So in void loop I will write if is a condition, I will tell you about it later in this series. In bracket serial dot available bracket open bracket close space is equal to space 1 bracket complete. So I have written is equal to 2 times. So I have written it. This also I will tell you later in this series. Then a bracket complete, and then on next line we have to write char is a short form of character. Val means value is equal to serial, S should be capital, serial dot read bracket open bracket close and a colon. So on next line we will write serial dot print in bracket val bracket complete and a colon. So here we have written val because whatever data we will communicate with Arduino, it will be saved in this val. So now here the curly bracket, I have opened the curly bracket here and closed it here, and this curly bracket I have closed here. So we have written the program. Now I will upload the code. So now the program is uploaded. So now we will open serial monitor, and so I type the letter and it is showing here. This means it is communicating with the Arduino, which we can see here on the serial monitor. So whatever I type here, you can see on the serial monitor. And while using serial monitor, we have given the baud rate here 9600. So here also we have to select 9600 only.